Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free ringtones on your Verizon wireless phone. Alright, first thing you want to do is open up your email. So, go ahead and open it up and just make a new page and go to zedge.com and type in the ringtone you want. Say, I like Lil Wayne, so I'm going to type in ice cream paint job. And the song will come up, you click it. Like it, click get ringtone. Do you want to save it to your PC or Mac? Click start download. Pop up in iTunes. Alright. I'm going to minimize this. And put it on your desktop. Then open up your email and type in create a new message. Type in your phone number starting with your area code. I'm typing a random phone. And then type in, for Verizon, I'll type in at vzwpix.com. And then you type in attach, ice cream paint job, click open, and let it load. After it's finished loading, you just click send, and you get a text message with the ringtone in it. And it's free, and so subscribe.